All right, 2 plates, let's get it rolling. Ooh, I'm really feeling this in the quads. Yep, that's legs. Now, a question that I get a lot is, why does lower body, like this right now, make me so out of breath? Put it like this. Everything from your waist down is like half of your body, right? There's a lot of muscles down here, and they're all working around the same time, especially if you're doing compound lifts. Not to mention, your legs are the furthest muscles away from your heart, and your heart has to pump blood and oxygen throughout your body to make sure that it keeps running, and it has a longer way to go. So that's why it feels more like cardio, which I hate.